no, it's too late. You see, if you are on a plane to Washington, you cannot go to your destination, Baltimore. There's a lot of people on an airplane thinking they're going to heaven when they die. Their destination is heaven, but they're on a plane going somewhere else. I see our topic here not just about us personally, but about our churches. I'm going to assume that we as pastors, that we have a saving faith. We have put our faith and trust in Jesus Christ. Our life has a cornerstone based on Jesus